Alright, this is a quick review of the Canvasback cargo liners. Should fit a 21 to 23 Chevy Tahoe. Was getting frustrated with the factory cargo liners, and nobody makes any that work with the seats moving up and down. So these are made out of canvas. They are handmade. You can see the back of the second row passenger seat. It comes with a back for that. The strap hanging down at the top is from a cover on the front side, so that's not part of that. They are fastened with Velcro, so it's stick-on Velcro. So you can pull these off and clean them, I guess, if you need to. These are actually multiple parts. So the basic cargo liner is this piece here that goes up the back of the third row seats, covers this section, and it includes the back of the middle row seats. I have not put the left side on yet because I've got a car seat there, and it's got to come out in order to get that on. And then you have optional additions, which include these side panels. Having the holes cut out is extra fee, but you have all these buttons and hooks here and everything, so I did not want those covered up. So that gives you some side protection. And then one more option here is this panel that comes in different lengths that covers the rear bumper, so you're not scratching your bumper up when you're putting stuff in. If anybody's wondering, this is the 24-inch panel that covers the bumper. I think they also come in 12 and 18. So far, just put them in. They seem pretty good. When you fold the seats up, I'm hoping after a while they'll kind of settle into creasing in the right place. Right now they're brand new, so they're a little stiff. And I may add some Velcro to kind of keep that tight here. But yeah, that's what it looks like when they're folded up. And then, let's see, when it goes down, it's pretty tight and snug. And again, all of this is Velcro, so this piece right here can come out. I think what I'm planning to do is just fold it in and maybe leave it like that when I'm not using it, and then fold it back down when I need to. I think what would be really cool is if they could figure out some way to attach some hooks or loops or something that could maybe tie into this, so that you could just keep it up like a net. But anyway, so that is the Canvasback liners. Being it's handmade, it's not perfect. The holes are not perfectly shaped and everything, but all in all, I think I'm going to like it better than the factory liner. It's not plastic, it's not waterproof, but it'll protect the back end. They also offer some options for like panels that cover in between the seats. So if you had a dog or something, you wanted to keep him from going up front, it would Velcro between the two bucket seats and block that, kind of like a fence, keep the dog in the back. I think they even offer that for the front row, so you could protect everything all the way up through the back of the front row and block any pets from getting into the front. So that is, I believe, canvasback.com. So check it out if you're interested. And if you got any questions, feel free to comment. All right, thanks.